Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Alphabet Institute. I'm so happy to see you again. In today's fun and exciting video, we're going to learn all about domestic animals. These are animals that live with us, help us, and are part of our daily lives. Are you ready? Let's start.
Meaning of domestic animals. Domestic animals are animals that live with us, humans, as our friends and helpers. They are not wild and have special places in our homes and farms. D-O-G. Dog. C-A-T. Cat. C-O-W. Cow. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. D-U-C-K. Duck. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. P-I-G. Pig. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. G-O-A-T. Goat.
Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.